Today we are going in the Audley Public House restaurant. Let's go. We tried some warm English beer and it was pretty good. A couple of ice cubes would have made it a little bit better. When in England, you also got to try the English gin.
Someone to bless me whenever I sneeze. Let there be love and a truth. But first of all, please let there be love. One more.
Bésame, bésame mucho. Cuando si fue con noche la última vez. Bésame, bésame mucho. Por tengo miedo de verte y perderte después. This is my assistant who did the actual running. Well, I sat on my arse. You'll see your name in the record book. So. Yeah.
Good job. Good job.
Well done.
Oh, look at that.